Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video, I'm sitting in a 2016 Jeep Cherokee and I will show you which fuse and which relays to check in case your Cherokee is not starting and you suspect starter is the problem. So before you decide to replace the starter, make sure to check the fuse and the relay. This video will apply to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Starter fuse and both relays will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side. Right here. Now to remove the cover, you will have two black tabs, one here, one on the opposite side. You want to press them at the same time and lift up. On back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. And here are all the fuses and the relays. Okay, and the starter fuse, it's a fuse number F19, which is a 40 amp fuse located right here. Right next to that fuse you will have two relays. Those are the starter relays. This is the relay K1, responsible for starter solenoid, and K3 for the starter. Best way to test them is using the multimeter. If you don't have one, you can always try replacing it with one of the same kind, like any of these, and see if that makes a difference. If it does, then just buy a new relay. Now in case everything is good, then you will have to dig a bit deeper. Next thing to check is the starter itself. First you want to check the wiring towards the starter, electrical connection, and then the starter itself. But most likely your starter will be the problem and will have to be replaced. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.